In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an IVR system with Twilio Studio. We'll start right from the Twilio website. Open your browser, head to Twilio, and sign in so you're taken to the console dashboard. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Twilio Studio is a visual drag-and-drop builder that makes creating an interactive voice response, or IVR, quick and approachable. From the console, navigate to Studio. You can find it in the navigation menu. Once you're in Studio, go to Flows. Flows are the blueprints for how your call will move from greeting to menu options and beyond. Click Create New Flow. You'll be prompted to give your flow a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. Think along the lines of Main Support IVR rather than something generic. Consistent naming helps when you have multiple flows for different teams or regions. Click Next to continue. Twilio provides templates to speed things up, and for this walkthrough we'll use one of them. Select the pre-made simple IVR flow. This template comes with a greeting, a menu that collects key presses, and basic routing paths, which is perfect for getting started quickly without building every widget from scratch. Click Next again to open the flow canvas. This is where you can tweak the settings as much as you like. Start by editing the greeting so it sounds natural and on-brand. Keep it concise, tell callers what to expect, and clearly list the options. In the Gather Input section, set the digits you want to accept and what each one should do. You can adjust timeouts and how many times to reprompt if no input is received, which helps reduce caller frustration. You can also set the voice and language for text-to-speech, or swap in an audio file if you prefer a recorded message. For invalid inputs, make sure there's a friendly retry message and a fallback path. As you review the branches, confirm that each option points to the right next step, whether that's another message, a hold message, or a placeholder for future routing. A helpful tip here is to keep menus shallow and purposeful. Fewer, well-labeled choices usually create a better caller experience. When everything looks good, click Publish. Publishing makes your latest changes active in Studio so the flow is ready for use. That's it. You've created a working IVR flow using the simple IVR template and customized it to fit your needs. If you found this helpful, feel free to replay sections as you refine your prompts and options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.